Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. For example, Clara is a pretty girl. The pronoun that replaces the naming part, Clara, in the sentence is she. She is a pretty girl. She replaces Clara, the naming part, in this sentence. The singular pronouns I, he, she, and it replace the singular nouns in a sentence, while the plural pronouns we and they replace the plural nouns in a sentence. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, do you have a pet? It is an important game. You must play as a team. Now, let us review the pronouns. The pronouns are you, they, it, we, she, and he. Click on each picture to reveal the subject pronoun. She is for a singular girl. He is for a singular boy. It is for a singular animal or thing. They is for many people or things. And we is for me and someone else. What pronoun can be used to replace the subject in this sentence? Tim and Bill are friends. Now the naming part is Tim and Bill. They replaces the naming part in this sentence. Sarah has a hat. What replaces Sarah, the naming part in this sentence, is she. The dog was behind the tree. What replaces the dog is it. Mom and I are going to the store. What replaces the naming part or subject in this sentence, Mom and I, is we. Tim sees a big spider. What replaces Tim, the boy, in this sentence is he. Let us review the pronouns now that take the place of a noun in a sentence. It replaces one thing or animal. She replaces a girl. He replaces one boy. And I replaces me when I'm talking about myself. They replaces many people or many things. And finally, we replaces me and someone else in a sentence.